Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to align multiple picture in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show align multiple picture. Now going to the insert one option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now find your picture in the multiple picture. Now select from a multiple picture. Now click for insert option. Now you can see insert from multiple picture. Now move the page. Then show multiple picture. This multiple pictures align picture. Now select from a all picture. Now going to the format point option, then click for a alignment option, then click for a center align. Now again click for align option. Now click for a align horizontally. That it's. Now you can see align multiple picture in Microsoft Publisher is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for